Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In this video, we will do an experience or we will do some interview about the culture shock. And beside me there is Rafli. He is originally from Kalimantan. So
Yeah.
I would like to interview him. Culture shock. He stay in Yogyakarta. So let's move to the question, right? For the first question, did you experience culture shock in Yogyakarta?
Okay, before that I
Yeah.
explain introduce myself,
Yeah.
Muhammad Rafi Maulana Rahman, and then I live before in Yogyakarta in Kalimantan, South Kalimantan, especially in Banjarmasin city. Yeah, you question about did you experience culture shock in Yogyakarta? Oh, sure. Okay. Is I did when I first come to Yogyakarta, I feel surprised because the culture and environment were quite different for Kalimantan. I need time to adapt to the local lifestyle and habit.
Alright. Second question.
Okay.
Next to the second question. So, what was your biggest culture shock? The biggest culture
Right?
shock in Yogyakarta. The big one.
Okay, the big and the small.
No, just the big.
Oh, that's the big.
Just the big.
The bigger culture shock was the way people speak very polite and soft in Yogyakarta. This is the bigger because in Kalimantan is not I'm what the meaning explain about in people Kalimantan is not polite,
Yeah.
not, but in Kalimantan the people is they speak loudly. And then the people move. The title is not polite, right?
Oh, so mostly, Kalimantan people is not like soft spoken. So they speak loudly.
Yeah.
Alright.
In Kalimantan, people usually speak more directly and casually. So at first, I was afraid of sounding right.
Alright. Okay. Next to the question.
Okay.
The third question. What differences did you notice between Kalimantan and Yogyakarta?
This is the big one. What the meaning? Hard for me to quiz. Yeah, what the difference did you notice between Kalimantan and Yogyakarta, right? I noticed that Yogyakarta is more crowded and busy compared to my hometown. Because in my hometown, this is not crowded.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is not city. And then I go to the city,
But-
6 horse.
But Kalimantan is the biggest island, bro.
The
Why
biggest
not
island.
crowded?
Yeah, just this is the biggest island, and then the stage is not small but the big, and then
alright.
any force in there, any meal, and there the other the small stage is one city, and then the other is village. There's a
Okay. Right. Next question, right?
yeah.
Did the food in Yogyakarta surprise you? I mean, like, make you, oh my god,
Oh,
it's really delicious.
yeah.
Yogyakarta has delicious food,
Yeah,
drinks,
yeah,
delicious drinks, something like that.
Yeah, I'm sure, but I culture shock for the gudeg, right? Is number
gudeg.
one. I swear you, gudeg is the sweet food.
Right.
Because in Kalimantan is not sweet, but sweet mixed with hot.
Alright.
Yeah, something like that. Yes, I was surprised because many traditional food in Yogyakarta taste is sweet. Yeah,
That's good.
something like gudeg, right? I'm explaining you.
Alright. Move
Okay.
to the next question. So, how you adapt? How you adapt to the new environment in this city, in Yogyakarta city?
All right. how do you adapt to the new environment? This is the, for me, I try to make new friends.
Alright.
Yeah, because
Nice.
I move in environment Kalimantan to environment Yogyakarta, right? It's not easy.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
Not easy.
Learn about local culture is number one. I learn about environment Yogyakarta because different with me, different with Kalimantan environment, and I get used the two environment little by little.
Oh.
And over time, I become more comfortable living in Yogyakarta, my
Alright.
friend.
That's
Okay.
nice, bro. Thanks. It's fine?
Yeah.
Alright, that's fine. Maybe that's all our interview. And
And then Radit, how about you? You can explain little maybe to other parents.
alright.
How culture shock in Yogyakarta? Basically, you from Lampung, bro.
Alright, so the cultural shock. So what your question?
It's not.
It's about
I'm not
culture
question, but the all of in
Really?
question
Okay.
for you, you mix in one
My
paragraph.
cultural shock from Lampung, maybe same as you. And Lampung mostly people, mostly how they talking, how they speak is really loud. So we can't say that like soft spoken is no one because mostly it's really loud, loudly. Most of them from Lampung and culture shock in Lampung is so many people that always do their activity in what is it like budaya. So
culture.
culture they're really active, but over here I seldom to find it. Maybe that's
Thank you for all. Okay, the last sentence. Thank you for your attention, my friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.